Hey everybody, this is James with the NC-Woodworks woodworking channel here. I've got a new Bauer 20 volt cordless tool here that I just purchased, and I'll show you in just a second. This is the Bauer 20 volt 5-inch random orbital sander. This is sold at Harbor Freight for $25. Inside the box, we got this nice little dust collection accessory. Now the orbital sander itself, it is a 20 volt lithium. It's got a nice ergonomic design to it. So comes with some paperwork, and it does come with some sample sheets of this is the hook and loop style sandpaper, so you just put it on there like so. I do have a battery sitting here, so got a little on-off switch right here. Now I'm assuming you can attach other vacuum systems to it, but this right here will just slide right over the end of it. And I do have a Bauer. This is also a cordless vacuum. Let's see if I got all this in the little zoom out here. We'll see exactly what I'm doing here. Okay. So you got this. You can probably take that off, and I'm assuming since it's all Bauer products, fits right in there. Perfect fit. Grab another battery. Then you got this vacuum system that will work with this palm sander. So yeah, if you don't want to use the little one that come with it, you can hook the cordless one, the cordless shop vac into it. But this sells at Harbor Freight for $24.95, tool only. They do have kits where you can buy a battery and a charger. I think it's running about $89, or you can get two 5-amp hour batteries for the same price. So yeah, go check them out. This is a little bit of my collection of Bauer stuff. Over here, as you can see, I've done a video on a lot of it. I just got it kind of piled up there. I got a bunch of little things, chargers, and all kinds of different tools. So if you're into buying stuff and you want to save a penny or two, then get you one of these Bauers.